Hi. In this video, we are going to discuss one of the most important topic, which is types of curriculum. Curriculum is a broader term among syllabus and course. Curriculum is a runway on which by running student can achieve goal, destination, or whatever is required. We can say that curriculum is the totality of learning or pace of learning. There are different types of the curriculum which we are going to discuss in this video. The one is the formal curriculum, which is also known as explicit curriculum. Here, the word formal means officially. This is a type of curriculum which is planned, written, and followed strictly. Informal curriculum contents are officially written in syllabus, taught in class, and comes in exam. For example, government gives a science book for grade 8 and tells the teacher to finish it in 1 year. This is formal curriculum. Next type of curriculum is hidden curriculum. This is also known as implicit curriculum. As the word hidden indicates, this is a type of curriculum which is not being taught directly. This is not written but students still learn. In this curriculum, learning happens quietly without being in any book. It comes from school environment and teacher's attitude. In implicit or hidden curriculum, student learns moral values, ethics, or discipline. For example, student learn respect because the teacher is respectful to student, and student learn discipline because school rings a bell on time, student move in order, come in time. These values are not part of any book or exam. Spiral curriculum. This is a type of curriculum in which same topic being taught again and again at different levels or stages, from deep to deeper or complex. This helps for best understanding a topic for long-term memory. Spiral curriculum was introduced by Brunner in his theory cognitive development or constructivism theory, which we have discussed in other video. For example, a student in class 6 learns about water, in class 7 learns about water cycle, and in class 8 learns about condensation, evaporation, and the factor affecting condensation and evaporation process. Integrated curriculum. Here the word integrated means joining different subjects together, and students are able to relate different concepts for best understanding. For example, a book of general science may include topics from chemistry, bio, and physics, or topics from any other science subject. Null curriculum. This is a type of curriculum which is not being taught at all due to different reasons, such as can confuse student, can be unimportant, or can create religious issues. For example, sex education is not being taught in many schools, and local history-like subjects or topics are included in null curriculum. Implemented curriculum. This is a type of curriculum which teacher teach student, may teach full or partial. Anyhow, what they teach from formal curriculum or written curriculum is implemented curriculum. For example, a teacher teaches 9 chapters out of 10 chapters. It means that 9 chapters were implemented, which is implemented curriculum. Achieved curriculum. It is a type of curriculum which reflects what actually students learned or got from formal or written curriculum. For example, a teacher teaches full book, including 10 chapters, and students understand only 6 chapters, then achieved curriculum is including 6 chapters. Inclusive curriculum. This is a type of curriculum which is being taught to every student, and all students learn equally, where no child is left out, including students with disabilities, different language, or having different background or culture. All are included equally in learning. For example, a book including names from all cultures so that all students from different societies or background learn equally. Recommended curriculum. This is a type of curriculum which experts or organizations suggest to teach. But this is not the part of exam, and school may or may not learn or follow suggestion. For example, UNESCO, which is one of organization, recommends to teach life skills and climate change, but it is not compulsory. Subject-centered curriculum. This is a type of curriculum in which different subjects are being taught. Here, subjects come first and then student. For example, students in class 10th learn different subjects like mathematics, English, chemistry, etc. Learner-centered curriculum. This is a type of curriculum which is built according to student interest and needs. Here, topics or subjects are being chosen by students. For example, teachers give projects to students according to their choice or interest. Intended curriculum. This is a type of curriculum which is added in the textbook and government or education board wants teacher to teach for their big plan. For example, they want their students to learn digital skills, so they add in the textbook. Co-curricular curriculum. This curriculum includes activities that happen with studies or sport, learning, or class subjects. For example, debate, science fairs, etc. are included in this type of curriculum and sports class subjects. And extracurricular curriculum is a type of curriculum which include activities which are outside of studies. And these activities not support in learning or class subjects. These activities happen just for fun, for example, cricket match. Thanks for watching.